ॐ ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं तस्मैस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदि साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुमूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुपदं मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा। सद्गुरु भगवान की जय। स्वामी जी महाराज की जय। शिवोहम। Today we will be describe the Sanskrit Guru Gita stanza 42 to 51. No, 61. 42 to 61. नाना रूपमिदं सर्वं न केनाप्यति भिन्नतः कार्यकारणता चैव तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। It means different type of the forms of the life in this world, and they are all function and cause of the function. They all known by the Atma Tattva, because the Atma Tattva and presence of the Atma Tattva. So all the function and causes of the function Karya Karan Rupa, they are comes by the Guru. Guru, it means our internal existence. So we must respect and we must bow to holy feet of the Master Guru. Because without Guru Tattva, there is no knowing of this world or of dark or light, nothing at all. यद्अग्नि कमल द्वंद्वं द्वंद्वताप निवारकं तारकं सर्वदा अपद्यभ्य श्री गुरु प्रणामहम्। In this world we have many type of the dilemmas and the pains, sorrows and happiness and joyness, and again sorrow and again sorrow and again sorrow and happiness, good and bad, many contradictions we face in our day-to-day life. So the Master, if comes in your life, the Guru which comes in your life, he can save you from these contradictions, dilemmas and painful conditions. So we want to bow in the feet of the Master. We want to give the respect. We want to put our head in the feet of our Master. शिवे क्रुद्धे गुरुस्ताता गुरु क्रुद्धे शिवे नहीं। शिवे क्रुद्धे गुरुस्त्राता गुरु क्रुद्धे शिवो नहीं। तस्मात् सर्व प्रयत्नेन श्री गुरु शरणं व्रजेत। This stanza is showing you the greatness of the Master Sadguru. Lord Shiva says, if Shiv will be angry with you, don't worry. your master, your Sadguru can save you. And save, there is an example in our history. The Shiva was angry to the Kagbhusunda, and the Kagbhusunda was saved by his master. You heard the prayer Namami Shamishan Nirvana Rupam Vibhum Vyapakam Brahma Vedastarupam. That is the master saved his disciple Kagbhusunda. So, if the Shiva angry, don't worry, Guru will save you. So Guru Shiva Ruddha Guru Strata. But this stanza is saying, if the Guru will be angry, then nobody can save you in this world. In my experience, Guru never angry. But this stanza is say like that. But my stanza, I change this stanza in the Hindi. I change. कि शिव रूठे गुरु रक्षा करे और चाहे रूठे ब्रह्मा महादेव, सतगुरु तो रूठे नहीं परम कृपालु गुरुदेव. The Guru is the extremely merciful person. Guru is like millions mothers' heart. Comes in a Guru, one Guru heart is the equal to millions mothers' heart. Guru never angry with you in any condition. Hana asking me, Guruji, thank you, you are not leaving me. I was laugh a bit. I answer Hana, I will not leave you all the life. Because Guru never angry, he is the ocean of mercy, he is ocean of the love, he is ocean of blessings, he is ocean of your safety. He is a very, 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 very great person of this world. So, this stanza is saying, the master is, you must be please your master always, because master is the ultimate authority of this world. Even God cannot reject the master's order. Master is the ultimate authority. I am not telling, but Lord Shiva is telling here. Bande Gurupadam Padadvandam Bhag Manashita Gocharam Shveta Rakta Prabhavinnam Shiva Shaktatyatmakam Param. O Parvati, the Master Sadguru is the Supreme Shiva, and he is containing the supreme power of the existence, Parashakti Swarup. And when you see in the meditation, there you will be see the white color and orange color light. That is the Guru's light. And your mind, your languages or your voice and your mood, they are very, very lucky that you can see the God like Guru. So, Lord Shiva says, I am praying, I am bowing, I am joining my both hands and I am bending my head in the feet of my Master. Now you can think. So Lord Shiva is praying and bowing, then Master is more than Lord Shiva. That is Satchidananda Paramatma. गुकारं च गुणातीतं रुकारं रूपवर्जितं गुणातीत स्वरूपं च यो दद्धा स गुरु स्मृतः. There is two words, two letters in the Guru word. First is Gu, second is Ru. Gu means all the gunas, satoguna, rajoguna, tamoguna. Guru is beyond all the gunas. Guru is detached from all the gunas. Ru means Guru is detached and beyond all your forms, your life forms, your unlife form, your you can see, you can touch, you can smell, you everything your senses you know. Guru is beyond all. So it is the Rupatitam. Ru means Rupatitam. So, which is beyond the gunas, that is Nirguna and Nirakar, without gunas and without shape. So, he gives you the self-enlightenment or Atma Sakshatkara. Atma Sarupa, he giving you the Atma Sarupa. So, person capable in this capacity, that is called Guru. That is called Guru. Abhinetrah sarvasakshi achaturbahorachyutah Achaturbadno Brahma Sri Guru Kathitaha Priye. Atrinetra Sarva Sakshi. It means, oh my dear Parvati, even Guru have not three eyes. You see only two eyes of Master Guru. But he is Sarva Sakshi, Lord Shiva. Shiva Swarupa. It means he is existing in your front Shiva. Guru is Shiva. Because you can understand in the Guru Gita, here is one thing will be remarkable. Sarva Sakshi. We teach Sakshi. We teach Sakshi meditation. And Guru Gita also saying the Sarva Sakshi. It means the witnessing of all. So, without three eyes, the Master Sadguru is Lord Shiva. And without four arms, whose four arms? Lord Vishnu has four arms. So without four arms, Guru have only two arms, one and two, left and right. But Guru is existing in front of you like Lord Vishnu. And there is Guru have only one face, not four face. But he is the four facial person Brahma. So he is the Shiva, he is the Vishnu, and he is a Brahma, so he called Guru. The Guru is the combined form and combined power and combined presence of Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. Ayam mayanjalirvaddho daya sagar vradhaye ayadunugrahato jantuh sansara mukti bhaka jantushchitra sansara mukti bhaka. 48 slok. I want to bow, I want to salute, I want to put my head in my master's feet, because They are mercy of Ocean. The Master Sadguru is the mercy of Ocean. On his mercy, by his mercy, the Jiva can destroy this different type sansar. This world is made by the many differences, different things, and by the mercy of the Master, he comes out from all the differences and stand in one unique supreme knowledge of liberation, that is called Atma, or that is called Mukti, that is called liberation. So by the grace of Master, only the grace of Master, you all can get the liberation from death and birth. Sri Guru Paramam Rupam Viveka Chakshusho Amrata Mandabhagyana Pashyanti Andha Suryo Dayam Yatha. The real form, the extreme form of the Master, general person cannot see. He is not able to see. As for the seeing of the Master, only seeker, only lover, real lover of the God can see the Master. That is the Viveka Chakshu. It means the eyes of Viveka, eyes of awareness. If you will be aware, then you can see the Master. And unlucky person, they cannot see the Master, they are blind. Like that, the blind cannot see the sunrise. Srinath Charan Dvandvam Yasya Dishi Virajate Tasya Dishe Namaskuryad Bhaktya Prati Dinam Priye. Srinath, Sadguru is the Master, is the owner, is the capable person of this world. So, Lord Shiva is saying to the Sadguru, Srinath. It means all the treasure of the world comes from the Master and goes to the Master. So the feet of the Master is there. There are all the treasure, all the precious things, all the pleasures, all the happiness, all the joy living there. Uncountable pleasantness, uncountable joy, uncountable happiness and uncountable treasure, prosperity comes by the Master's feet. So, in the direction of the Master is living. He is living in the east, he is living or west, he is living in south, he is living in north. The direction the Master is living, we must be bow, we must be bend our head that direction, that disha. So Lord Shiva is saying, जिस दिस गुरु विराजते उसको है प्रणाम. It means तस्य दिसे सतत मंजिल रेश आर्य, तस्य दिसे सतत मंजली रेश आर्य, प्रशिक्ष्यते मुखरितो मधुपैर्वुषधस्यः जागृति यत्र भगवान गुरु चक्रवर्ती विश्वोदय प्रलय नाटक नित्य साक्षी. The Master Sadguru is the Sakshi or witness of origin of this world, staying of this world and destroying is this in this world. These three phases of the world, when the world comes its origin and world live in this origin and destroy, the world is destroyed in this phase. Master see all these like a drama. So he is the Sarva Sakshi. He is the witness of these all. He is the witness of these all. He is only seer of these all, without affected. World comes, world live, world destroy. Master always stand. He never born, he never live and never die. He was presence. When the world is not in his existence, world comes, planets comes, planet destroy, but Master never destroy. He is standing in the state position. He is standing in this in his immortal position. He is standing in his existence every time, every time. So the Master is the Chakravarti Samrata. It means Master is the kings of the kings, because he is a complete awareing person. He is in complete awareness. So the knower person, the Vidvana, they are pray the Master by the different type of mantras, like the Brahmara. The Brahmara sing on the flowers, boom, 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 brother, like this. So the persons, they are knowing the dignity of the Master, they always pray to the Master's feet. There is very noise behind the ashram, so we will only describe